actually from our office in Business Bay. Today I'm going to take up the tax-free subject, or it's too good to be true. I'm in communication with many business owners all over the world, mainly from Europe, and the most response I usually get to my letters or to my messages is, it's too good to be true. So let me give you more information how a Dubai company works, how is it legal, how is it legit, and how is it not too good to be true. If you like my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. First of all, if you set up a company here in Dubai, yes, it's going to be tax-free. We have no taxes in the country, meaning no dividend tax, no profit tax, no income tax, no personal income tax, and no tax on royalties, no corporate tax. So basically the entire country is tax-free, and we have no accounting. This applies for free zone companies. How is it legit to not live in the country, have your company here, earn tax-free profit while you are doing your activities in Europe? The answer is the following. If you set up a company here in a free zone, it meant to carry out its activities outside of the United Arab Emirates. The free zone company not supposed to be doing activities here within the UAE. Free zone company can do B2B business inside the country, but it's meant to set up in a way that it carries out the activities in Europe, in the US, or somewhere outside of the United Arab Emirates. So if you have an online activity, you can register your company here. The headquarters is assigned here in Dubai. It gets a Dubai address. It becomes under the UAE jurisdiction. This means that the corporation will pay taxes based on the UAE laws, which is 0% in every case. You, as a company owner, you pay your taxes in the country where you live. Most of the European countries, it's meant to be 183 days or above 180 days in 1 year. Now, the company pays taxes here. You, as a company owner, you pay personal income tax in the country where you live. However, if your country and the United Arab Emirates has double taxation agreement, then in this case you can take director's fee from the Dubai company, personal income tax free. Because director's fee is already taxed in the UAE. You already pay your personal income tax on it, which is 0%. So you don't need to worry about how legitimate is it or how legal is it, because we have double taxation agreements with most of the European countries. So the two countries allows you to have a company here, receive income from a Dubai company, and you stay in Europe and you live at home. The most important thing which we have to make sure that your activity actually can be registered in a free zone company. Let's say if you have a coffee shop, if you are a hairdresser, if you are repairing cars, have a cleaning company somewhere in Europe, let's say in the UK, you cannot register that company here in Dubai. It makes no sense. It's not elegant, it's not sexy, it's not legal. If you have an online activity, translation company, marketing, online recruitment, gaming company, online consultation, online coaching, IT, software development, anything which takes place online, where your body doesn't have to be in a certain office or in a certain place, then we can register that activity in a free zone, and then you can have a free zone company. You can be 100% owner in that company. You don't need an Emirati partner. Then a company gets a company account in a local bank. We give you US dollars, euro, and British pounds accounts. Since we have no accounting, and I have to repeat this part over and over because for us Europeans it's so hard to believe. We have no accounting in the country. So you can just take your company card and use it for all your purchases wherever you are in Europe. If you want to buy a diamond ring for your wife, it's okay, just pull your card. If you go for grocery, if you go to the gas station, if you want to transfer money, just use your company card. In the United Arab Emirates right now, there are no restricted list of expenses for a company. So it allows you to use 100% of the income you made by the Dubai company wherever you are. If it still seems too good to be true, then I'll go on to the next step. It costs money. Company registration is not free in Dubai, okay? The government makes a lot of money on registering companies, issuing visas. It's a government service which you purchase as a company owner. Here in the United Arab Emirates, you have to buy your license from the government for 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. which means that these are the years you are allowed to use this company. When that 1 year, 3 years or 5 years is over, you have to renew your license and you pay again a renewal fee to the government. Like this, they earn money on you, but on the other hand, they just leave you to be tax-free. Dubai has no oil. Before we get into that subject, Dubai's main income is not from oil. It's from tourism, trading, company registration, importing, exporting. So whatever you heard about Dubai is being full of, whatever you heard about Dubai having lots of oil is not true. Here in the country, if you need services, most of the services in the hand of the government, and you have to purchase them. So back to the company registration. So you purchase your license for 1 year, 3 years or 5 years, and then you renew based on the package you choose. So this costs money. Company registration usually starts from $15,000. Setting up a Dubai company is not always the cheapest solution, but for sure is the most economic solution. Because even if you have to renew your license in 1 year, 3 years or 5 years, this renewal fee is always a flat fee. This is kind of your contribution to the government. This fee will not increase based on your income. So even if you made $1 million, your renewal fee is going to be the same $10,000 than for that company who just made $5,000. This is not the exact price, so don't take it as a stable datum, please. Company registration prices depends on the following: your activity, which free zone we are going to register your company, how many owners the company have. It's a mainland company, it's a free zone company. How many visas do you require? If you are a lady or if you are a man, ladies get 30% discount. Have you ever been in the UAE or not? Did you have an Emirates ID before? Are you coming here in a tourist visa, or are you coming with a company registration? There are so many details which are changing the prices. If I get this question, how much does it cost to register a company here in Dubai? I don't really know. I don't have an exact answer. I have to know your activities. What do you want to do here? Do you want to move here? You don't want to move here. You have a partner, etc., which I mentioned before. Our company is providing a free consultation where I go over with the details with you, then I can give you a full detailed price list. I will include every single legal item which has to be on the offer in order for you to open a company. Unfortunately, there are so many cheaper offers out there with cheap free zones, and most of the free zones will not be accepted by several banks, so you have to watch out that you get a very detailed, proper price list. Bank account opening is not the same than bank account assistance. We have created an entire video about this. It's a different subject. You have to watch this video if you're about to open a company here in Dubai, because some of the marketing campaigns can be misleading. Yes, registering a company here in Dubai costs money. Average what you have to think with, it's about $15,000 to start with, just to give you a very general idea. Maybe it's not the cheapest option for you. Dubai company is not for small companies. It's for medium-sized or bigger companies. Another thing I want to mention is many countries out there, they don't even know that the entire United Arab Emirates is tax-free. Unfortunately, and I'm coming from Europe, so I know, the European media gives a lot of black PR about the Middle East, the UAE and Dubai, and they are actually blocking the truth from you. They're creating a lot of misleading, false information about this entire area or the entire country, and you watch the videos, read the news, and you actually become afraid of even looking at this possibility. Oh, it's illegal, and Dubai is full of oil, and all kind of weird ideas out there in the media. The purpose of the media is actually to hide the truth. It's just my opinion, but the United Arab Emirates is one of the last sane countries on the planet right now. Company owners, business people, or any person who wants to work and produce, we are not suppressed by taxes. We don't have to send our salary or half of our salary to a black hole and not getting anything back. We do have to contribute to the country with a license and visa, but on the other hand, everything is tax-free and it allows you to create as much as you can. Yes, Dubai's lifestyle can be very expensive. I think the difference between this country and other countries is there is no limit. The sky is the limit. So you can take anything for very expensive, but also there is a normal lifestyle. Two major expense here in the country is school system and apartments. It's a completely different subject, so please drop a comment if you are interested to know more. Send me an email and I will answer. So yes, this may be too good to be true that there is a tax-free country, no accounting, practically zero criminality, no unemployment in the country, but it is possible, it is existing, and I live here and I love it. So if you are a business owner or if you are thinking to relocate, please don't believe everything the media is saying to you. The best idea is to come for yourself, take a look for yourself. You have to decide based on your own information, which you feel, which you perceive, which you can see. You're always welcome to our office. It's in Business Bay, so if you want to come and get free consultation while you are here, you can also email and we can set up an appointment. I hope I managed to give you more information. If you want to know more, please get in touch with me and have a nice day.